At ChildFriendly, security is our top priority. Let us assure you how we keep your data safe. ChildFriendly understands the importance of securely managing sensitive data and banking information for childcare centers. Your data is stored on Microsoft Azure's cloud infrastructure following rigorous industry standards. This includes forced end-to-end encryption, encryption at rest, and strict access controls. We've partnered with Stripe, Processa, and Rotessa, leaders in payment processing. Each is certified as PCI Level 1, which is the highest level of certification available. Your credit card and payment data are stored in their fully encrypted databases, ensuring utmost security. Our commitment to your privacy extends beyond our strict policy. It's ingrained in every aspect of our service. We guarantee that no personal information will ever be sold to third parties. In the fast-paced world of childcare management, every second counts. Our platform is designed with a strong focus on speed, scalability, and flexibility. Using the latest cloud technology, we ensure seamless scalability to meet the needs of childcare centers of any size. With faster transaction processing and quicker access to data, our software empowers childcare centers to operate efficiently and effectively. Experience the peace of mind and efficiency of ChildFriendly.